Lasdang ya ka state level into school athletics meet arhajar arpusau haka arpu tarik ujemang arhajar arpusau ha Madan sai NEHU bala penlong daka Directorate of Sport and Youth Affairs rengkat ke jingat trelang bat ka Meghalaya Athletic Association. Hakani ka state level into school athletic meet arhajar arpusau ka banne laisngi lawan ya shimbenta daki praspa khandaingut ki khna school kenthei bat chenrang naki khat artli ki district Khuborjylla. Lapli perdaya kani ka lempung da Presiden MSOA Bak John F. Khashiyeng kumukongsan haka jing sakhilang uba finally pariat General Secretary MSOA kumusembut kongsan lembat ki DSO jong ki khat artli ki district. Haka singi sedang ya kani ka lempung ki khna creation benta haka jing yakop mare bat bun ki wei ki jat jing ya lekai. Uslap bajur ulak hang lat ban penlong ya ka march pass.
Let's give the band a big round of applause. They have stayed on in this bad weather.
Respecting and abiding by rules that govern them, committing ourselves to the sport without doping and without drugs, in a true spirit of sportsmanship, for the glory of the sport and honor of our teams. Thank you.
This information take this as a selection for the national event to be held anywhere in India. I want to thank all the John is here, is my friend, President of the Meghalaya State Olympic, Grand Tendal, all the DSO, Khuborjylla. We as the Meghalaya State University and the government is working hand in hand to promote athletics, not to promote ourselves. Now we are working in tandem, so you can see that the government has come up with lots of initiatives to promote our sports person by way of award, especially scholarship. And those athletes, you can win at the zonal and you are getting about 8,000 per month, which will help you in your studies. So tell your parents, work hard. Athletics is not like football, we have 11, 12. I think can train only one also. So I will thank all our friends, media friends, the athletes, people, the DSO who are here, and all the technical officials, my friend from the Athletic Federation. I thank the Athletic Federation for sending their team to help in organizing this meet.
And, we look forward to hosting the national games in the near future. Because prior to Meghalaya, we have Uttarakhand, we have Chhattisgarh, and we hope after that Meghalaya will execute the games. We are very happy that now in Meghalaya we have annual state games. We are very happy now. We also have scholarships. All the medal winners, subject to criteria, can apply for scholarship. All the athletes are also entitled to cash awards. So with these few words, I once again would like to request the athletes. I call on the athletes. Let us say, hooray for East Khubor Hills District. East Khubor Hills District, are you here? I cannot hear you. East Khubor Hills District. Yeah, that's good. North Garo Hills District. South Garo Hills District. Louder. Yeah, again. South Garo Hills District. All right. East Khasi Hills. West Ginger Hills. West Ginger Hills. That is stronger here. South West Khasi Hills. West Khasi Hills. West Khasi Hills again. East and West Khasi Hills. One and only Khubor District.
So we are starting our program from the June with the Olympic Day celebration. It's an international event which we held on 23rd. But we as MSA, because it is Sunday, we'll be holding the Olympic Day run on the 22nd Saturday from 7 a.m. from the polo ground. For this we are giving two categories, one open event, men, women, and the second is above 50 years, which is with a cash prize of 5,000, 3,000 and 2,000. And for the senior most citizen, we are giving special prize. For entry, they have to entry offline at the MSA office anytime. So they can register free, there is no entry fee. And the last date of receiving entry fee is the 20th of June, 2024. So regarding the route is the same as last year, from Polo there to Pankra roundabout. So everybody knows the route is a 10K run. And last day I said you and what I say, we are giving free T-shirt for the first come first serve basis on the day of the run, not on before the run. On the day of the run, first come first serve T-shirt we give free to all the participants. So for the participants, this will be for 16 years above. We won't allow kids, only 16 years above. All are welcome to proceed. There is no entry for this one. This is in accordance with the IOA circular that we should conduct the Olympic Day celebration worldwide. So with this, I request all the athletes to come, those runners to come and participate. We are providing at least some refreshment after the game. So.